Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. If you're getting that message showing on your dashboard, reduce engine power, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what the problem is. If you see reduced engine power, most likely you're going to drive a GM vehicle or a Chevy vehicle. So if you see it show up on your Chevy Silverado, Chevy Cruze, Chevy Malibu, and so on, I'm going to tell you guys the most likely problem. So the most likely problem is going to be a faulty throttle body or faulty throttle actuator control. So the most likely problem is going to be a faulty throttle body. Usually for Chevys or GM, the throttle position sensor is built on the throttle body. And in order to replace that part, in most cases, you actually have to replace the whole entire throttle body. And when you look at the throttle body, let's just say for a Chevy Silverado, you're going to see two coolant hoses that's going to it. So when you're replacing the throttle body, you also need to pinch off the two coolant hoses and replace that throttle body. The second most common causes is going to be caused by a faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. So the accelerator pedal position sensor or APP sensor is part of the throttle actuator control system. Since the accelerator pedal position sensor is part of the throttle actuator control system, it also works together with the TPS. It is important for the TPS sensor and the APP sensor signal to be matched. If it is not matched and there is a discrepancy, the computer is going to trigger the vehicle into reduced engine power mode. For example, if you step on the gas pedal at a certain percentage going down, that means the throttle angle must also open up at a certain percentage. If these two do not match, again, it's going to trigger that reduced engine power. When the engine power is reduced, driver is going to notice limited speed and limited engine power. If the problem is severe enough, for example, let's just say the TPS completely fell or APP sensor completely fell, the computer might actually cut fuel off going to the engine completely, and it's going to make the vehicle undrivable. To fix this problem, all you need is a scan tool. So basically what you're going to look for is TPS sensor codes and APP sensor codes. If you see these codes are showing up, go ahead and check for open or shorted wires, check for loose connection, and if everything checked out fine, maybe it's time to replace those sensors. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.